Let me show you several different ways how you can turn on your flashlight on your iPhone 16e. First, if we swipe down from the right side, you'll have your quick menus essentially here, and one of it will be the flashlight over here. So as you see, if I tap it, as you see, flashlight gets turned on. Also, what we can do is we can press and hold on this flashlight, and then we'll open this menu where we can actually change the brightness of the flashlight. I think it's really cool that we actually have this feature. So again, we can turn it off if you want. And then the next way is you can also turn it on and off from your lock screen. So you will see you have this flashlight icon. So all we really do is we simply press and hold it for maybe half a second. So do not tap it, but hold it with some force. So, and then you will be able to essentially turn it on and also turn it off. And also let me show you one more cool way how you can turn it on. If we go on the settings, for example, then click the accessibility settings over here, and then click touch. Okay, then swipe all the way down, click this back tap function. So either select double tap or triple tap, and choose the torch. So essentially what we really have to do is we simply have to take our finger and simply tap on the back of our phone, for example, 2 times if we set up. So you see, if I basically tap, as you see, my flashlight gets turned on, and again I can simply double tap to turn off the flashlight as well. So this is actually insanely cool. Anyway, good luck.